You want to go on a nature walk?
Why not?
Okay, let's go. Okay,
Alright,
let's go on a nature walk. Why are you copying me?
I didn't know.
Let's go. Okay, come on.
Go.
Come on, Leonardo. This is an amazing nature. Hello?
Hi, I gotta go. Sorry.
What's wrong?
There's a giant snake over there. You gotta watch out. He was chasing me. He's really dangerous. Bye.
Okay. I don't know if I want to do this anymore.
Did you get him? Did you get pie, potatoes back?
Are you kidding? Go.
Come on, Leonardo. This is an amazing nature. Hello?
Hi, I gotta go. Sorry.
What's wrong?
There's a giant snake over there. You gotta watch out. He was chasing me. He's really dangerous. Bye.
Okay. I don't know if I want to do this anymore. Oh, yay. Oh, no, it's a snake.
Ooh.
You're a snake handler. Grab it and throw it.
Okay. I finally hypnotized all these snakes to do whatever I want.
Master, there's people back there. Just saying, there's people.
But why?
There's people, they're dangerous, sir. They're gonna try to steal us.
Okay, well, probably because this is a hiking place, I probably should hypnotize all the snakes here because there's a bunch of people here. Well, when since I'm your king, go attack them now!
Hey! No! No! No!
Master, we got them.
Let us go!
Well, who have we here?
The Grinch, what are you doing here?
I hypnotized all these snakes to do whatever I want. Oh, man.
Why would you do that?
I don't know, but the only thing I'm focused on right now is getting my turban back on my head.
You are cruel.
No, I'm fashionable.
Let us go right now.
You know, just forget the hat. Never! I'm still there.
Hey,
Why
what's
does
your
this
name?
always happen?
are you a bully?
I'm High Pitch Potato Sack.
But
Nice
are
to
you
meet you.
are you a bully?
No.
Oh, well I am.
I'm a good-willed soul, Master.
Do you know who's Wait, did you just call me master?
No.
I don't even know you. You're only calling me master. I'm leaving.
You need help?
Yeah, I'm gonna go beat up SpongeBob.
He's over there. He got caught by the charming snakes.
Charming snakes.
My old master wanted to charm
Old
some
master?
snake. Yes, sir.
What's your old master? Is he a bully?
Mr. Grinchy.
Is he a bully?
No, he's a bad will soul.
So he bullies people.
Sure.
Is he bullying SpongeBob?
I don't know. He's probably killing him.
Nobody touches SpongeBob except me.
Well, you want me to help you?
Yes. Come on, let's go.
Psych, I'm not helping you.
Are you Mr. Grinchy?
Yeah.
Are you bullying SpongeBob?
Yeah.
Nobody touches SpongeBob except me. Come on, SpongeBob.
Wait, go back for Leonardo.
And why should I?
Oh, because he's my friend.
No, I only want you. Let's go.
Kevin! SpongeBob! I haven't seen you forever. I know. What are you doing here? I was just coming to save you because I heard you were in trouble. Oh, thanks. Can we go back for Leonardo? Yeah, let's go. Okay, stay here, SpongeBob. I'm going to sneak in and get the snakes off of him. Come on. Okay, let's go. Today was such a long day.
I know.
And with that bully,
I can't believe you do something like that.
I know, and if he keeps doing stuff like that, we might have to, well, get rid of him.
Yeah.
How'd you guys two meet?
Oh, well, we met at a playground.
Oh, that's cool. I just want to go home.
Me too.
Let's go. For all you kids out there, if you're getting bullied, That's not good. And you should tell your bully to stop. And if you haven't been bullied, do not bully because it's bad. And if you see someone getting bullied, you should stick up for them.